Do you feel like you don't speak enough Afrikaans? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Wat doen jy vir 'n lewe? Ek is 'n kunstenaar.
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
Wat doen jy vir 'n lewe?
What do you do?
Ek is 'n kunstenaar.
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, what do you do? That's.
Wat doen jy vir 'n lewe?
Listen to it again.
Wat doen jy vir 'n lewe? Wat doen jy vir 'n lewe?
This Afrikaans sentence literally translates into, what do you do for a living? But it means, what do you do in English? Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
Ek is 'n.
Your occupation. I'm an, your occupation. For example, I'm an artist.
Ek is 'n kunstenaar. Ek is 'n kunstenaar.
Now, listen to some examples.
Wat doen jy vir 'n lewe? Ek is 'n onderwyser. Wat doen jy vir 'n lewe? Ek is 'n dokter. Wat doen jy vir 'n lewe? Ek is 'n ingenieur.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hoe is jou ma? Sy is okay.
Once more with the English translation.
Hoe is jou ma?
How's your mother?
Sy is okay.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's.
Hoe is jou ma?
Listen to it again.
Hoe is jou ma? Hoe is jou ma?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Sy is.
state of well-being. She is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
Sy is okay. Sy is okay.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hoe is jou ma? Sy is fantasties. Hoe is jou ma? Sy is so. Hoe is jou ma? Sy is hartseer.
Listen to the dialogue.
Wat is fout?
Die kantoor is warm.
Once more with the English translation.
Wat is fout?
What's the matter?
Die kantoor is warm.
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's the matter? That's.
Wat is fout?
Listen to it again.
Wat is fout? Wat is fout?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Die kantoor is.
Adjective. The office is adjective. For example, the office is hot.
Die kantoor is warm. Die kantoor is warm.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Wat is fout?
Die kantoor is koud.
Wat is fout?
Die kantoor is luidrugtig.
Wat is fout?
Die kantoor is vuil.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hoe sê mens dit?
Dit is 'n parkeerterrein.
Once more with the English translation.
Hoe sê mens dit?
How do you say this?
Dit is 'n parkeerterrein.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how do you say this? That's,
Hoe sê mens dit?
listen to it again.
Hoe sê mens dit? Hoe sê mens dit?
This Afrikaans sentence literally translates into, how does a person say this? But it means, how do you say this in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Dit is 'n
word. It's word. For example, it's parking lot.
Dit is 'n parkeerterrein. Dit is 'n parkeerterrein.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Hoe sê mens dit? Dit is 'n kameelperd. Hoe sê mens dit? Dit is rys. Hoe sê mens dit? Dit is 'n aanval.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Listen to the dialogue.
Wat is jou gunsteling nommer? Dit is 7.
Once more with the English translation.
Wat is jou gunsteling nommer?
What's your favorite number?
Dit is 7.
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's your favorite number? That's,
Wat is jou gunsteling nommer?
listen to it again.
Wat is jou gunsteling nommer? Wat is jou gunsteling nommer?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Dit is
number. It's number. For example, it's 7.
Dit is 7. Dit is 7.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Wat is jou gunsteling nommer?
Dit is 2.
Wat is jou gunsteling nommer?
Dit is 4.
Wat is jou gunsteling nommer?
Dit is 9.
Listen to the dialogue.
Van watter soort flieks hou jy?
Ek hou van grillers.
Once more with the English translation.
Van watter soort flieks hou jy?
What kind of movies do you like?
Ek hou van grillers.
I like horror. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what kind of movies do you like? That's,
Van watter soort flieks hou jy?
listen to it again.
Van watter soort flieks hou jy? Van watter soort flieks hou jy?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Ek hou van
type of movie. I like type of movie. For example, I like horror.
Ek hou van grillers. Ek hou van grillers.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Van watter soort flieks hou jy? Ek hou van komedie. Van watter soort flieks hou jy? Ek hou van fantasie. Van watter soort flieks hou jy? Ek hou van romans.
Listen to the dialogue.
Wat doen jy vir Vryheidsdag?
Ek is van plan om strand toe te gaan.
Once more with the English translation.
Wat doen jy vir Vryheidsdag?
What are you doing for Freedom Day?
Ek is van plan om strand toe te gaan.
I'm planning to go to the beach. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what are you doing for Freedom Day? That's,
Wat doen jy vir Vryheidsdag?
Freedom Day celebrates the first non-racial national election where everyone over the age of 18, including non-citizens, were allowed to vote. Listen to it again.
Wat doen jy vir Vryheidsdag? Wat doen jy vir Vryheidsdag?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
Ek is van plan om.
plan. I'm planning to plan. For example, I'm planning to go to the beach.
Ek is van plan om strand toe te gaan. Ek is van plan om strand toe te gaan.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Wat doen jy vir Vryheidsdag?
Ek is van plan om te reis.
Wat doen jy vir Vryheidsdag?
Ek is van plan om by die huis te bly.
Wat doen jy vir Vryheidsdag?
Ek is van plan om te gaan fliek.
Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
Hallo, ek wil graag met die persoon in beheer praat.
OK, net 'n oomblik.
Once more with the English translation.
Hallo, ek wil graag met die persoon in beheer praat.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
OK, net 'n oomblik.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
Hallo. Hallo,
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
Ek wil graag met
person.
praat.
This Afrikaans sentence literally translates as, I want really with person speak, but it means, I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
hallo. Ek wil graag met die persoon in beheer praat. Hallo, ek wil graag met die persoon in beheer praat.
Now, how do you answer this question?
OK, net 'n oomblik.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
OK, net 'n oomblik. OK, net 'n oomblik.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
Ek wil graag met 'n verkoopsverteenwoordiger praat. OK, net 'n oomblik. Ek wil graag met 'n bestuurder praat. OK, net 'n oomblik. Ek wil graag met kliëntediens praat. OK, net 'n oomblik.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.